All right, this is for AP Physics C. It's April 27th, 2021. In a previous class, the students asked me to solve a problem, and I did a pretty poor job of it. I think that was yesterday for 4 bricks stacked on top of each other. So I'm going to try to solve the problem again right now. And the procedure is you start with the top brick, and the top brick needs to be extended just as far out as it can go until it would just begin to tip. And that means set the center of mass of the top brick to be just at the corner of the table, or in this case, the brick below it. If the center of mass were to the right of this edge, then the brick would tip over. If it's to the left, then it's stable and life is good. So this distance from here to there is half the length of the brick. Great. So now we know where to place the top brick. For the brick below it, it sticks out half a brick to the left of the first brick. And there has to be a point somewhere where this brick with the brick above it combined will just reach the edge of the corner here, table or brick below it, and not tip over. So a way of solving this is to say that the center of mass of these two centers of mass has to be at this corner. So measuring from here for brick number 2, so this is brick 1, this is brick 2, the center of mass of brick 2 is at L over 2 from the left edge. The center of mass of brick 1, measured from this edge, is at the edge of brick 2, so it's at L. So halfway, since these are equal mass, equal dimensioned, equal everything bricks, identical bricks, halfway between these two centers of mass is the combined center of mass of these two bricks, and that is to be placed directly over this edge. Well, it's halfway between L over 2 and 2L over 2. So it's at 3/4 of L measured from the left edge of this brick. Okay, so this is located at 3/4 L. I scribbled 3 times L over 4 is the distance of this combined center of mass. Now, dropping down to brick number 3, it can go out over the edge of brick number 4 such that the combined center of mass of these 3 bricks is just at the edge of brick number 4. One way of expressing this is to say that the center of mass of brick number 3 is at L over 2 from the left edge of brick 3. So we're going to measure everything from the left edge of brick 3. So that's L over 2 plus the center of mass of the 2 bricks above it, which were both set to be at a distance L from the left edge of brick number 3. So we have 2 bricks whose combined center of mass is at a distance of L. So L for brick 2, L for brick 1 in terms of their average. So these 3 centers of mass at L over 2, L, and L, for those 3 bricks, find the average value. And that will be the center of mass for this 3-brick system, which you want to go just over at the edge of brick 4. So L over 2 plus L is 5/2 L divided by 3, which makes it 5/6 L. So the location of the center of mass of bricks 1, 2, and 3 is at 5/6 of the distance from left edge to right edge along brick number 3 as it rests on top of brick number 4. Now we do brick number 4. We want the combined center of mass of bricks 1, 2, 3, and 4 to be at the edge of the table. And so where is this point that is the combined center of mass of these 4 bricks? Well, for 3 of the bricks 1, 2, and 3, their combined center of mass is at the full length of the 4th brick. So mathematically, this is going to be L over 2 for brick 4 plus L plus L plus L for bricks 1, 2, and 3. They're all located, for these 3 bricks, their total center of mass is located at the edge of brick 4. Find the average of these 4 centers of mass. And what you have is 2, 4, 6, 7 halves divided by 4. 7 halves divided by 4 is 7/8. So the center of mass of bricks 1, 2, 3, 4 is at 7/8 of the distance from left to right edge along brick number 4. And so in the problem, they ask, what is the total distance of brick number 1 relative to this edge of the table? Well, the brick number 1 is sticking out L over 2 past the edge of brick number 2. Brick number 2 is sticking out L over 4 past the edge of brick number 3. Brick number 3 is sticking out L over 6 past the edge of brick number 4. Brick number 4 is sticking out L over 8 past the edge of the table. When you add together all of these fractions, the lowest common denominator is 24. So out of 24, 1/2 of 24 is 12. 1/4 of 24 is 6. 1/6 of 24 is 4. And 1/8 of 24 is 3. 12 plus 6 plus 10 plus 3 is 25. 24th. Ta-da! So brick number 1 is completely off the table by 1/24 of the length of the brick. Ta-da!